Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram stories bad quality after uploading. So if you frequently upload to your Instagram stories, you must have noticed when you start to upload many stories all at once, the quality of the stories start to get really bad. So you can fix this problem by managing a couple of settings. So to get started, firstly tap and hold the Instagram app and head over to app info. Now here you will be able to see on the bottom an option called clear data. You will need to clear all the caches of your Instagram. Along with that, you can also clear all the data available. Tap on OK. The next thing you need to do is, if you use mobile data, you need to tap on restrict data uses and make sure that your data or your SIM card is selected. The other thing we're going to do is firstly open up your app of Instagram and head over to your profile section down below. Tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to settings. Tap on account. Now here you'll be able to see an option called mobile data uses. This is especially for the people who use mobile data. So if your data saver is enabled, this could also be the reason, but you don't need to turn off that. You could tap on the high resolution media and choose your option, which could be mobile plus Wi-Fi. If you want, you can also turn off this setting. The last thing you can try out is try to update your Instagram app. Sometimes these kind of problems occur simply because there are some kind of bugs in the system, and updating your apps helps to remove these kind of issues. So yeah, those were the steps on how to fix Instagram stories bad quality. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.